CosmoGlo presents the CosmoGlo Original Assembly Video. Your instructions will arrive in your box. Parts included are the halo, clamp, Powerbox, pole set, and your flat base with 3 screws included in place and 4 square rubber feet on the underside, phone clip, and toolkit. You will also need 1 standard size Phillips head screwdriver, not included in your kit. Without using tension, gently straighten the halo cord for easier threading through poles. Feed the straightened power cord down into the top of the nested pole set. Always loosen clamp knob to prevent cosmetic damage before adjusting poles. All 3 poles will remain nested with 2 holes on the innermost pole visible above the attached clamp. Secure the clamp to the pole set using your screwdriver to tighten the lower clamp screw. Attach halo arm to pole set by aligning the holes on the inner pole with the holes on the end of the halo arm. Pushing inward and upward from the bottom of the pole set will allow you to control the innermost pole to align the holes. Secure connections with barrel screw and nut. Tighten the barrel screw using your screwdriver and smaller wrench. Use both tools at the same time, one on each side, to fully tighten. To adjust the pole height, turn clamp knob counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten at your desired height. Loosen knob and extend light arm upwards to retract excess cord into poles. Tighten clamp in position with ferrite cord clip visible just below the flat circular bottom of the outer pole. Attach assembled halo and poles to the base. Light cord should exit the back end of the base nearest poles. Hold the light arm steady and carefully stand assembled light upright. We recommend 2 people complete this step together for safety. Hold the pivoting halo arm steady and use caution when assembling. Gently thread the remaining light cord through the center base hole until the ferrite stops above base. Secure the pole set to the base using the 3 base screws and large wrench. Cord should float freely between the base and rubber feet. Do not place heavy items on the base to protect the cord. Plug the power box into a power source. Plug the cord from the light into the connected power adapter. Using your light, CosmoGlo Original, you will turn the dimmer knob slowly to turn on the light and adjust brightness. Turn in the opposite direction to turn off. For optimum performance and stability, avoid fully extending telescoping poles. Keep at least 1 to 3 inches of the inner poles nested inside of the outermost pole. Alternate your halo rotation direction to prevent damage over time from repeatedly turning in one direction. Your light comes with a lightweight minimalist phone holder and 2 safety bands. This clip is intended to help you work faster and more efficiently with less noticeable interruptions during client services. These are designed to help keep the same angle during filming without holding your phone hostage. Simply lift the bands, slide your phone underneath and on top of the metal plate. Once secured, the clip can be attached to your halo on either side with 1 quick movement and detach just as easily. While filming, you may move your light arm and/or rotate the halo to achieve your desired filming angle. Should you need to quickly use your phone during services or filming, you can. Simply unclip and leave the phone banded to the clip. When finished, clip back on and reopen Camera app to resume filming. Due to the nature of the simple safety bands, they can be easily replaced if one is lost or breaks. The light LEDs are covered by a shield. The shield floats to help airflow easier inside the lamp during use so as to reduce heat or moisture buildup. You can adjust the shield by pressing it on both sides until the shield is evenly positioned. For optimal lighting during services, position your CosmoGlo at forehead level. If fingerprints or smudging occurs, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down any part of the light. Do not use harsh chemicals on your light or LED shield. Do not submerge any portion of the light or pieces in liquids. Always use caution when assembling salon furniture. We hope you have love at first light. If you have questions, please visit our help center online at thecosmoglo.com or send an email to us at support@thecosmoglo.com.